Welcome to Tech. In this short video, I will tell you that PHP which you have installed in Windows 10 in your system, how to make it global. PHP can be installed in different way in which through WAM server, XAMPP, and you can install it also by direct download. If you don't know about PHP installation, then watch my video of installation. Their link is given in description. As I have installed PHP 7 and WAM server also. So all these versions of PHP are provided. You can shift to any one of them. For this, first of all we have to check that whether PHP is global at this time or not. For this purpose, open CMD and write php-v there. php-v and hit enter. You will receive a message that PHP is not recognized as internal command. So it means that it is not global. Here is an easy method to make it global where PHP has installed. Copy its path. So let me copy. After this, search envi and click on system environment variable. Now click on environment variable. Now click on path and click on edit. Now click on new and paste that path which was copied. Let me paste and now hit enter and now click on OK. OK and then again OK. Now we will go in CMD and type php-v there and hit enter, and you can see that PHP has been global successfully. That was our short video. If you don't understand anything, so comment. Stay tuned. Goodbye.